Hi ladies, welcome back to our channel. So in this week's video, we're going to make a natural hairstyle, a simple hairstyle that you can use or you can do, especially during this time, festive season. So it saves you time, you're able to do it, stay smart, and yet it's very, very easy to do. Okay, so I'm going to begin by putting down my hair using gel. I'll be using Cantu Shea Butter styling gel, and I'm aiming at making sure that my hair is as flat as it can be for this style. So I'll be using a generous amount of this gel. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and cover this hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'll continue. Okay, so my hair has dried. Now I'm going to use this clip-in bundle. This is a DIY. I made it from home. I have a video on how I make these clip-in extensions. Check it out. I think it's my previous video. Okay, so I'm going to use this clip-in bundle, and I'm going to do this. This is all intended to be an easy style. That's what we aim at doing on this channel. Easy hairstyles to keep you going, but to also make you look beautiful. Okay. This is Xpressions hair. I'll link the name in the description. You cut out the excess hair that you might not need. And look at this. So I will shed off. So I'm going to cut off just the excess ends. Just like that. And I'll go ahead and add a band, a hairband right here. And that's how I would complete my look. Depending on what you're putting on, you change your hairband. Don't you love this? I think it's easy and good and beautiful.
channel.
So my friends, this is the end of this week's video. I hope you love the style. I hope you see how easy these things are. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this week's video. All those who are new, thank you so much for coming by. Please consider subscribing to the channel. You'll learn so many easy ways to take care of your hair on this channel. Okay, other than that, thank you so much for all the support. And until next week, cheers.